Hi guys, I am here today with Quilty Box. One of my favorite boxes. Well, I only get two right now, so two of my favorite boxes, and this is one of them. So I was debating on doing this because I got it several days ago and I've just had no energy, not sleeping. And if anyone knows what it's like not to get a good night's rest day after day after day, week after week after week, you kind of feel like The Walking Dead. You just have no energy, you can't think right, you mess everything up, and so I wasn't going to do this, but my friend Bianca said I should do it, so I had a little nap. It's like 1 in the morning right now because I took a nap at 7 in the evening. So here I am, nothing else to do, right? Everyone's sleeping, so I can't do much anything except craft, so that's what I decided. Bianca wasn't feeling well, and she talked me into it. So this is the February Quilty Box with Julie Herman. Oops, let me put my glasses on so I can actually see. She's a best-selling author, speaker, quilt pattern, and ruler designer based out of Southern California. She's inspired by geometric patterns. So here's her little story. And the back of this tells me everything that's in the box and how much it is valued at. So let's dig in here and see what goodies we got. Okay, let me pull it out of the box and get that out of the way. So we have our bundles of inspiration, which is a nice little booklet with lots of information in it. It's a story about the featured quilter and then next month's quilter as well. And a little message from Patrick. So let's see. And here's our featured quilter, Julie Herman. And here's some of, I'm guessing, her geometric designs, which I love as well. So it has some Q&As there with her. And then this is about our, okay, it's a little different. This is about what's inside. So let's go see what we got, and then I'll continue with this. So we have what is called the Sidekick ruler. It says cut 3 shapes in 4 sizes: diamonds, 60-degree triangles, and half triangles. This is designed by Julie Herman. And I'd love to get fun rulers. Let me find my scissors here. To try out new things. I know I haven't finished my original series. I'm way behind. I converted what was just a craft room into sewing and crafting because I got a new sewing machine. Well, it's embroidery, sewing, and everything. It's a multi one. So I had to make room for that. So then everything is a mess because I had to move things out of the way to put a table in. And then I got sick in December. I was sick for the whole month. And I apologize for those who've been waiting for me to finish my quilt. I swear to you, it's sitting back over there where I left it, and it hasn't moved. And I look at it and keep saying, I want to do that, because I do. I really want to make it. I've been dying to make quilts, and that's what I set up this room to do, and I just have not had the energy to do it. So, here, this is better, I think. My light is right here, so here's all the little cuts and stuff that it does. And here's a little booklet. Let's see what this says about it. From Jaybird Quilts, all hex. Oh, that's more. That's a different one. Here's some other ones they have if you're looking for some different rulers. Let's see. There's information on the different sizes of things it does. So it's just all the instructions, all nice different colors and laid out very nicely. for people to understand who aren't used to using that. But, well, here's my booklet. Let's see what the booklet said about it. You can cut triangles from 2.5-inch strips. So it just kind of tells a little bit of really not anything I want to read. But the ruler retails for $17.95. It's nice. It's very sturdy. It's very solid. It's got a nice thickness to it. And it's very clear and legible to see all the little lines. Okay, so the next thing is our pattern. It's called Rock Candy Little Jaybird Quilts. That is so pretty. I love all the colors with the black as well as the white. It's such a different look. So let me open this. So this is the pattern, and it retails for $6.50. And it shows you how to use the ruler and everything with it. And all your little triangles that you got to cut. So that is super fun. And here's information of what you need for that. And then we have some thread. This is, in case it doesn't show up in the camera, it is a very light gray color, silvery gray color. Here is the codes on it. This is Aurifil. It says Aurifil Cotton 50 weight, color number 2600, retails for $4.99. And then we have our lovely, lovely fabric. Get my scissors and get this open. It's all different sizes, I'm going to presume. I can do this without cutting the fabric. That should work. Should be able to tear it open now. Stick this in a bag when I'm done. Sakona Cotton Quilty Box exclusive. There's the label. It's the Kona Solids Fabric Bundle, 10 colorways of premium cotton fabric from the Kona Solids fabric line. Retails for $24. See these pretty, pretty colors. Here's all of those. We have our greens, our blues, gray, dark gray, light gray, and white. And then here is the black, the back. It's really, I'm sure it's black, but I think I have a little bit of color blindness. It almost looks like a really deep blue, but pretty sure it's black. And I had no idea about being kind of colorblind until my son. He's like, no. And here's how he told me to find out a color if I had a problem. Was to go to my monitor, and there's like something on there that shows colors with the numbers, you know, that correlate the colors. And then hold my fabric to it or whatever, paper or whatever I'm using. And I can tell better if it's like a blue or a gray. Since I have some sort of color blindness. I don't know if it's because I'm light, have light blue eyes. He's got brown eyes. I don't know the reason. But he gave me that tip. He's a smart fella. I don't know what I'd do without him. Both my kids, I love them so much. So that is everything. Super fun box. I love this. And I should be able to do this one pretty simply because it's not huge. It's smaller. Something a little smaller to start with. And it'd be a good thing to do the free motion quilting on for a start because it's smaller. So if you like this box and you want to get it, if they have any left, you can go on there and just order just the one box if you don't want to get the whole subscription. Or of course you can just buy the pattern and go get your own fabrics for whatever colors you want because the fabric's for sale on there as well. So that is everything. Let's see what the booklet, where did I go? I keep losing the booklet thinking something else. So, the booklet. Has about the ruler. It has about the Nova table topper is what it's called. The finished size is 20.5 by 23 inches. And this is another version. So you have the black version or the white version. Really pretty. That would look so pretty on the center of your table. Instructions. More instructions. And then there's also the, oh, this is about the classic Quilty Box. It just tells about the Quilty Box and what is inside. It's a $60 value, and I think it's like $48, $46, depending on which package you get. You can get like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Here it is right here. Month to month, if you just want 1 month at a time, it's $48 with free shipping. 3-month plan is $46 a month with free shipping. 6-month plan is $45 a month. And the 12-month is $44. And you do pay the full amount. Like if you buy the 3 months, you're going to pay for 3 months up front. But that's how much it is a month. Buy it. And then 5% of the profits from the multi-month subscriptions help support quilts for kids. So when you buy this, you are also supporting the Quilts for Kids. And then they also now have the Quilty Box Mini. And it usually, let's see, it says this month's mini has a full-size charm pack, a spool of thread, a charm pack pattern, and the Bundles of Inspiration magazine. Those are $23.99 for month to month. And then 3 month is $21.99, 6 month is $29.99, and 12 month is $19.99. And again, you pay $19.99 times 12 if you do the whole year. And it is all the shipping's included. And then this is a subscriber to Quilty Box. And it tells a little story about her. So if you're a subscriber and you send in a story, you could be featured. And this is Teresa McDaniel. Then this is a sneak peek. Next month's featured quilter, and that is Elizabeth Hartman. So that is everything. If you have any questions, again, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll have a link down below where you can check all this out. I want to thank you for stopping by, new and my already subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. And I will hopefully be back again next month on time. So, again, thanks for stopping by, and see you again soon. Bye.